I think that we can begin to take on challenge of first contact if we think of ourselves as Earthlings and think about the fact that when compared to something else that may have evolved on a planet around a different star, that all of us humans, we're all the same. A long time ago, back in the 1980s, in the middle of the Cold War, we were worried that if our Soviet colleagues were to make a detection, that they might not be allowed to tell the world. So we sat down and constructed a set of principles, the kinds of things that you ought to do if you think you found a signal. And so we wrote this document titled Declaration of Principles Concerning Activities Following the Detection of Extraterrestrial Intelligence. It starts out by saying, if you think you've found something, then try and verify it, because we actually are mindful of the fact that there could be a deliberate hoax. There are actually 9 principles. I think the most important one is number 8. So principle number 8 says that if we detect a signal, that the signatures on this document will not transmit a reply until there's some kind of global consensus on whether we should reply, and if so, who should speak for Earth and what should they say. And that's very high-minded, ethical, and we haven't a clue any more today than we did back then about how you come to such a global consensus. But if indeed there is an international consensus, then I am in favor of sending a reply. I think that we should interact with other intelligence in the cosmos and try and figure out how we fit in and what's our place in this very large universe.